Hello to all Insta family. Welcome to my channel Physics with Lipsy. So I'm here today with an interesting topic which is known as the law of refraction. What do you mean by refraction? Refraction is the bending of light when light changes its medium. Here I will explain you with a little small experiment. This is a glass of water. Okay, so this is a pen. When I dip this pen in normal form with no inclination at 90 degree with the surface. This is known as from here this medium changes. This is water and above water there is an air medium. So when I dip this pen at 90 degree at normal, it will remain the same. But when I dip this pen in an inclined form, I hope you can see, so if I dip this pen in an inclined form, what will you will observe the pen is broken or a little bit in the water the pen is bended. So pen आपको bend form में नजर आएगा और ऐसे नजर आएगा जैसे ये broken सा है. अगर आप दोनों surfaces में compare करो तो pen आपको बेंड फॉर्म में नजर आएगा. सो ये क्यों होता है? दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ लॉ ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन. ये रिफ्रैक्शन की लॉ की वजह से होता है. when light enters from one medium to another medium or when light changes its medium, it refracts. The actual path will be this one. If we draw the straight line, the actual path will be this one, but because of refraction property it will bend. So the bending ray is known as refracted ray. इसीलिए when you put the pen in water, you find the pen in the air is something like this. If you enter the pen in an inclined form, the pen will not look straight in the air and in water. Both mediums, the pen will not look straight. The pen will look somewhat bent in the water. So this is due to the refraction property. So this is air medium, this is water medium, and when the ray enters in an inclined form, this is known as normal, which forms 90 degree with this surface. So when this incident ray forms some inclination with this surface, then the rays bend. So this is known as law of refraction. This is known as angle of incidence, which the incident ray makes with the normal, and this is angle of refraction, which the refracted ray makes with the normal. So this is very simple topic. For more, you can follow my channel in Physics with Lipsy.